Hi friends, Ms.Bianca here. So, as you know, this week we're talking about birds. And for today's story time, I wanted to read a book about birds. And it's called Bird Builds a Nest. Ready? Okay, but first I need you to turn those listening ears up really high and zip those lips. Put the key in your pocket, in your shoe, in your ear. No, that's silly. Okay, ready? All right. Let's get comfy. It's a beautiful day. Bird is up early. She's got a lot to do. First, she needs some breakfast. What she wants is a nice, juicy worm. Bird pulls hard, but the worm pulls back. It's a big worm, and it's strong. Too strong for Bird. Ah, this one's better. It's smaller and not as strong. Delicious. Now, Bird can get on with her work. She's not looking for worms now. She needs twigs. Lots of twigs. This one's too heavy. And so is this one. All of these will do fine. Bird can carry one large twig or two medium-sized twigs, or 3 or 4 small twigs, although it's hard to fit that many in her beak at once. She's building her nest. It's not quite finished though. Carefully, she pushes a twig into the side of the nest and pulls its end back out. Pushing and pulling, she gets all the twigs in place. She works for hours, fetching and carrying, flying back and forth, pushing and pulling. Sometimes she drops the twig, but it doesn't matter. She's looking for softer things now. Dried grass and feathers. They're very light. She can carry lots of these at once. She tucks them into place. Turning around and around, pushing with her whole body, she makes a snug little cup, smooth and soft on the inside. The nest is ready and waiting. Can you guess what it's for? Eggs! 5 of them, speckled and beautiful and getting ready to hatch. Wow. The end. Thank you, friends.